Welcome to our studio. Today it is the second part of the video introduction to HTML. Let's get started. Okay, today is about HTML attribute. Okay, what is HTML attribute? HTML tags have attributes that provide additional information about an element. Okay, HTML tags have an attribute that provides additional information about an element. We know what is an element. I have discussed about what is an element. If anyone have not seen our first video about HTML introduction, so please see, given in the I button, in the top there is a I button. From there you can see the first video about HTML. Without that video you cannot understand this. You have to understand that video first, then you have to understand this. Okay, attribute HTML tags are attributes that provides additional information about an element. Okay, for example, the body tag may have the BG_color attribute. The body tag may have the BG_color attribute. But the BG_color, this BG_color stands for background color. For short, HTML has written it as BG for background color. Okay, BG_color means the body, the full body of the web page here will have a background color as given by the site creator. Here you can see an example: body BG_color equal to red, means the whole web page will have red color. Then what topic you have to write? Then body close, as it a container tag, body will close. Okay, means HTML attribute gives important and additional information about the body. Okay, now next is about HTML structure. What is an HTML structure? HTML structure is, first of all we have to write the HTML structure as HTML. This is an container tag, that's why it will have a closing and starting and closing tag. Then in between there will be head tag. It will be also a, it is also a container tag, so it will also close. Then next body. Okay, this all is a structure of HTML. Okay, HTML whole, what will be inside it will be inside the HTML. Okay, HTML, two types of HTML. This HTML tag, then there will be two types of tags: head tag and body tag. Head tag first will be do head tag, then finish it, then again body, then finish it. Okay, and sometimes in the top it's you can see there is a writing that doc type HTML. Okay, this is for additional information. We can write or not write, but it is good to write this because by this we could get good information, means advanced in latest information or latest the latest varieties that the HTML language has given, that we can get. Okay, and now what we have to do, I will remove this HTML structure. Okay, this is the HTML full structure. We have to without this structure nothing can happen about HTML. Okay, now we have to save it. Yesterday this last video I said that we have to save it as an HTML document. So HTML extension, we have to go in the file. I am using Notepad++. Here you can see, if you have anything that Notepad or many other softwares, you can use it. Now I am using Notepad++. Here you have to go to file, then save. You have to save the where you have to save. You have to know where you have to save. I am saving in an HTML file that I have earlier, HTML file, and giving the here introduction. the name introduction dot html. Okay, sorry, it will be in lowercase html. Okay, now if you write html after the name you want, okay, and if you don't like to write this one, and cut it off. Here you go to save as type, instead of normal text file you will not write as text file. You have to go here and see as written hypertext markup language .html. Okay, these are the extension of hypertext markup language. You save it like this, save. Now see, the color is also changing. It is the feature in Notepad plus plus, not in Notepad. Okay, this is our feature. Okay, now we have to go to the files. And we have saved this as introduction. We'll get it at introduction. This we got introduction. See, it's nothing is there, nothing is here, only blank, because we haven't written anything here, so it will be blank only. Now if I write inside the body, everything that we have to do will be inside body, but the content is written in the HTML. We have to do inside the body only. Okay, um, now I will write here something. Our studio's name RD Studio. Now we have to save. We have to save a shortcut. We can either save by here, save, or we can take a shortcut that Control plus S. Okay, Control plus S. Now again go to the our browser. I am using Microsoft Edge. You can use anything. Now you have to refresh. Either you have to click on the F4 button on the keyboard, or here it is it's given refresh. You have to click refresh. See, here is coming RD Studio. Here is coming RD Studio. If I write anything here in front, if I write created by, if I write also here and save it, and then see here I can come created. Anything I write, it will come here. Okay, and what I am telling about attributes, see, I am writing here body BG color. Okay, body. I said it is not case sensitive, that's why I can write in small letter also, BG BG color. It will be BG color, not color. Okay, it's a computer language. Then BG color I want blue. Now it will Control plus S, save. Then again go to the browser. See, it will scan in blue. It's very bright, so I will giving sky blue. See, everything is sky blue. Yeah, it came sky blue. Okay, see, if I write anything in our what we have mind, this color, if in our language I think yellow ochre is a color, yellow ochre is Fiji. See, I am seeing this, if yellow ochre can go here, yellow. See this one, I think. So it came in blue only. Yellow ochre will be not there. Maybe I have written wrong spelling. Let it be sky blue. Every color will not come that we have. There is a significant color type. There are many HTML color codes. What happened? So, every color will not go, but there are significant types in the. We can go in the Google to search about names of the color, or there is something more codes about color codes. We can also give color codes to give color in the web page, but most of the things is every color will not go. the significant colors that HTML gave, that will be only going. Okay, now it's sky blue. Then going to the notepad, head. Inside the head, there is another thing that is known as title. In English, okay, TITLE. Title. Inside title, we will write as title. I think introduction title. I am showing that after this, that where what is the meaning of title? Introduction. Okay. I am. You have to give Control plus S. See the browser before refreshing. Here what is we gave okay, but here see upper the top of the refresh there is written that see, the file name. See the file URL of the file. Okay, this is the URL of the file, our location of the file that we say. But after it is called the title. Here I will writing the title. After I refresh, see it will come as introduction. As I have written the title introduction, there will come introduction. Before that, there is given the there is a default that the title will be of the location of the file. Okay, this is the title once, and this is background. Okay, now these are the HTML structure, the main HTML structure with an attribute with the doctor HTML starting, then two HTML close starting and closing tag, then head tag, two head tags. Between head tags there is a title and given a title name introduction. After that, body closing and starting and closing. Then there is a body attribute also. The attribute is a BG color attribute which have a sky blue web page background color, and inside the body it is written created by RD Studio. This will come here. Okay, this all for today. I have made a small video today, but this all for today. Next week I will try to make a video over many of the attributes or most important tags in HTML. I will make a video about this. Okay, thanks for today for watching our full video, and please as before, please subscribe our video if you like this and click on the like button. And if I have any queries, you can ask in the comment. Okay, thank you very much.